What's up, travelers? Welcome back to 2 Minute Thursday, and today we have here extraordinary dessert. This place is filled with different type of cake, right? You can say there are huge slices of cake, as you can see, just like the one in our hands. These cakes are a little more on the pricier side, so we're expecting a super rich cake from this one. And what did we get here today?
I think it's called giandia. I don't know how it's pronounced. It's basically a chocolate cake with chocolate mousse, and the cake is soaked in rum. And it also has boysenberry preserves. On the outside, there's chocolate ganache, and then there's, I believe, hazelnut at the outside of it, and some shreds of chocolate.
We are a huge fan of hazelnut, so that's one of the main reasons why we got this one.
Yes.
We're only gonna grab little bites at a time because we know they're super rich, a little too strong for us to finish this whole thing. If I was to eat this by myself, it will take a couple days. Kind of like a lemon bar, how it's like very rich.
So let's take our first bite.
Yeah.
You gotta get all those layers. There's the boysenberry preserves right there, the chocolate mousse, the cake, and then the topping with the hazelnut as well. It's so good.
Super rich, just like what we expected.
So decadent. The chocolate mousse isn't super airy. It's very rich.
I like those crushed praline that's on top. It gives the cake a nice crunchy texture.
And you can't really taste too much of the boysenberry. I was kind of skeptical at first because I was like, oh, chocolate and boysenberry. I'm not a big chocolate and fruit person, but the boysenberry adds like a nice tart finish to it. So you can't really taste too much of it. So if you like chocolate and hazelnut,
then this is the one for you guys. And it's nicely decorated.
so when you dine in, they usually decorate the plate super nicely. Even when you get it to go, they put like petals of flowers in here, so it's nicely presented.
Yeah, definitely a spot you should take your significant other to.
Especially when you're having dinner at like Little Italy or something.
Alright guys, I think we're gonna enjoy this cake slowly. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Until then, travel heads.